Hi guys, and welcome to my trading recap of the day. And here we go. So today I traded on Nasdaq and I traded on live session. I was in a live session, so all my entire trade was on live session. So I'm just gonna show you, well, what was my vision during the trade. So right there, as you can see, well, we first started right here at the open. We started here. We were ranging in this zone, and well, we just break out the buy side liquidity. We just break out here, and well, then I was maybe looking to short. Well, short, but in the specific zone. So when I saw this 5-minute inverse value gap, I just marked it somewhere. I don't know when, but I marked it. Right there, you know, right there, okay. I think I marked it. Yeah, right there, okay. So here I just marked my inverse value gap, and I was looking to, if here, well, if the price could go there, and well, maybe reverse in that zone. So that's when I marked the 5-minute inverse value gap, and then I saw right there, the 1-minute time frame, well, a bearish SMT, well, the SMT right there, because on the ES did a lower high, but the Nasdaq did a higher low, well, or a higher high, more like it was some liquidity sweep. But then I was looking to, well, in that trend, I was looking to the price to go up and retest this uptrend, maybe retest the lower high, the higher low. So I was looking to a breakdown and then a retest to the higher low to then maybe sell. So this was my vision. So first here it was kinda a good opportunity to short, because we tested 2 times a Chinese sale delivery. We tested 1 time the top of the 5-minute inverse value gap. There was a SMT with NQ and ES. We were on the discount of equilibrium, and at the same time we were on the 1-minute bearish fair value gap. So this was pretty much a good setup that I didn't take, because I was looking to watch a liquidity sweep of the equal highs right there. I was looking to short, and then, well, the price just go without me. But my target was this sell side liquidity right there. This was my target. And well, when I saw the price just go down, I thought that, well, we were going to hit my target, and maybe it could be a no trade Monday, well, a no trade day. But well, so then after here I saw that the price was reversing, and then when I saw the price just pop up here, I was looking to, okay, maybe the liquidity sweep of the buy side can happen. So that's when I was waiting to see the liquidity sweep right there, and then the liquidity sweep just happened some moments later. Maybe I was watching if it's going to be a SMT or if it's actually going to be a liquidity sweep on both Nasdaq and ES. And it actually happened. It did a liquidity sweep right there. And as you can see, this is pretty much important. This line right there, this line, it's pretty much important. Why? Because this is the higher low trend, the uptrend, more like the bear flag. And I was looking to the breakdown of the trend, and then retest the trend to then short. So it was actually happening, and it was kind of logic, because it was on the top of the 5-minute inverse value gap, retested the uptrend right there, the breakdown, and we were going to the equal highs that was going to be swept, like right here. So then here I was looking to short. I was looking to the price to go down, and then maybe retest a little bit, do a little pullback. So that's when here, right there, I was looking to short to place a limit sell order. So maybe in a Chinese sale delivery, but then I was like, I think I'm just gonna put it on the top of the 5-minute fair value gap that we just test 1, 2, and 3 times. So that's where, well, I moved it here I made the trade on, well, on paper trading. In trading view to have the view on my charts of the trade, and at the same time I put the limit sell on top step in my, well, accounts. So then the price moved up and we nearly touched my sell side. I was like, god damn, I hope it's not going down without me. And then technically we touched it, but it wasn't filled. And then price just go up and it filled me. So that's when I was, well, I put my stop loss on the top of the, I don't know if it's going to be here. Okay, I put my stop loss, I think it's going to be showing now. I'm not going to show it. Oh, yeah. I put my stop loss above this buy side liquidity right there. Put it above. And then when I saw, well, I just got filled and I was watching, then, whoa, god, the price is just going up. Maybe we're going to touch my stop loss. So that's where I was, look like uptrend is still standing, looking to close my position soon. I was looking to close, maybe because it looked like it was just going up. But I was waiting, I was kind of confident that, well, it could just go down. And we did a liquidity spread there too. And well, I was kind of confident with my stop loss. I wasn't maybe, I don't know how to say it. I wasn't, well, if I lose it didn't matter because I was ready to lose that $245. I was ready to lose it. I was confident with it, and well, with my setup, with my plan, normally the price will not go to my stop loss. So yeah, so right there, after a little while, the price just puked down, but it was retesting this bearish fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap, that was a, well, just changed to a inverse fair value gap. So it was a 1 minute inverse fair value gap in a 5 minute inverse fair value gap. So well, the buy side was pretty strong here, and I was still looking to short to close my position, but then I saw some big drops, and I was kind of confident that okay, I think it's just going down. And yeah, so it was a little bit choppy, and then it just created a downtrend. Yeah, created a downtrend. And we're just going down. Then look at this. We were going down, but then the price just pop up. And well, so it's pretty much, well, ranging right there. Pretty much ranging like around my entry. And then the price puked down. And it was pretty much choppy a bit, but I was kind of confident with my entry because, well, we were on the resistance. And well, my stop loss was pretty much in a good position, so I wasn't going to move it. I wasn't going to move it and break even or lower to have less losses, but I was just not moving it because I was kind of confident that this resistance was being respected. And well, we go back again on my entry, on my drawdown, and then we puke down again. This was pretty much a downtrend, but pretty crazy as a downtrend. So yeah, so then we just puked down to the sell side, and I marked the sell side too here, and well, then we just puked down, took the sell side, do a fake out, because then we just puked down, and we just hit my TP right there. So my trade lasted almost 2 hours. So well, in 2 hours I made $728, and right there you can see it right there. I made it, yeah, like right there. I made this much. So I entered short in 10:38 a.m. and my TP was hit in 12:37. So almost 2 hours. My trade almost lasted 2 hours. So it was pretty much a good trade. I was kind of confident. My stop loss, I was kind of confident with my stop loss. And well, I wasn't stressed a lot. I wasn't stressed because I was kinda, well, confident with my setup, with my trade, so that's why I let it run till my TP without problem. So yeah, so this was my trade right there. Copy trading on 3 accounts, so it's pretty much good. Well, we're just going to keep going like that. We are on a pretty much good position, a good streak, so we're just going to, well, trade as always. So yeah, so this was my trading recap of the day. Hope you enjoy it and see you tomorrow, guys.